Hey, yo, Officer Karen Law Dog and Charles Wallace Hanson IV reporting live to you from Kern County Superior Court right here in Mojave, where our attorney told us that he expected to be here at 11 a.m. and it's 10:54, so we're going to slither inside. And if you've been following the journey and you want to participate and have an opportunity to win a greenie while supplies last, you might just get your opportunity inside. Let me take this phone off the clip, honey. Hold on. Okay, here we are, folks. Charles, do you have anything to say, honey, before we slither inside and see if they're going to kick the can down the road some more to keep their long-term scam going?
All I got to say is, you know, we got a dirty ass judge, and how do you know? Is old Lisa Marie, aka Gutter Trash, is Pacioni. We're going to go in and find out what her problem is today. Most likely she's getting the itchies just thinking about us going into the courtroom.
Okay, honey.
She's getting a little sweaty between the legs.
Now, honey, now let me just say that in all fairness,
aren't you,
honey,
Lisa?
Honey, now in all fairness, the reason Charles is calling her out as being corrupt is because our attorneys.
Hold on. Can't make it in the AV. Our county, are you shitting?
Our attorneys are so damn good that there's no damn rhyme or reason why that criminal protective order should have been issued. Cayman Aguirre didn't even show up to ask for it.
Oh,
there was no. Hold on, honey. There was no conduct or statements that would even rise to the level of requiring a protective order from a law enforcement agent that's trained and carries a gun and a badge. All we have is our tongue in our pen.
Which that's my.
Apparently,
those are my weapons of choice.
Apparently, that's.
And Lisa, you couldn't make it. You couldn't make it in the AV. Are you shitting?
So the fact that she ruled in favor of the state, the corrupt Cynthia Jane Franks Finger Zimmer, who we know is corrupt. I mean, come on, a phone call to her buddy Donnie.
Speaking of a phone call,
back in 2024, to say, we got a problem and I need your help. And speaking Donnie Youngblood jumped right on it.
What was his name? Price? Pierce?
Page.
Hey, Page.
Officer Page with Tehachapi Police Department.
Like
because somebody always knows,
like Michael Whiting.
And somebody's always going to talk.
Well, anyway, I would like to be the first, most likely the 8th, 9th, or 10th person that said keep your mouth shut. Anyway, we're here for Freedom of Speech. As
our
you know,
Free Speech Fest.
For our Freedom of Speech Fest. And you know, we're not going to leave if they're going to try to make the old Afro man holding the bag. You know what? Many hands make for light work. Maybe we can just give them a little help and lighten that load.
Afro man doesn't need help. He has all the money backing up his Free Speech Fest, and he has the following to back up his Free Speech Fest. We don't have shit. The media's been told to stand down. They shadow ban. They block our accounts.
Anyway,
right now, the law dog had to do an appeal.
All I'm saying is follow the journey.
Because one of her posts got reported.
Page? What's that attached we call it?
I think Page.
Page? Yeah. Well, anyway, welcome to the
long-term scam?
Long-term scam.
And cover-up?
Just watch your back, Page, because you know what? They're looking for somebody to hold the bag.
Oh, yeah.
And
yep.
You and your buddies, they're going to... you can't. It's the sheriff's department.
You can't beat technology.
Unless you roll over. But you better have proof.
But don't give them any tidbits, because the rest of that video from the surveillance, that's for subscribers so that they know how the rest of that phone call unfolded after Fly Girl was caught off guard with that question.
Be careful, Paige.
Because she missed the training on what to do or what to say or what not to say if anybody called to inquire about this allegation that Zach Scrivener was arrested.
Just because
Don't
you're
say anything.
just because you're law enforcement, do you really?
Hey, Karen.
Do you really know your neighbors? It doesn't matter. You gotta figure out where you're at on the food chain.
It's almost 11. We better get inside.
Oh,
Gillette.
yeah. So anyway,
Gillette
we're gonna
will
get
be
inside.
waiting.
We're gonna see what old Pachoni's problem is. Most likely, she's a little sweaty in her chonies. So,
Honey.
Well, we'll find out. All right, we'll find out. We'll be back to
Now, depending on how long this scam goes on,
Oh,
it
yeah.
depends on when we're going to go live with you again. But if you want an opportunity to win a greenie, Charles and I are taking a field trip today after court.
Oh, yeah.
Shh,
Yeah.
don't say where.
I'm not.
We're going to take a field trip today
Yeah.
after court.
I like my field
If
trip.
anybody can guess what one destination might be specific. If you've been following the journey, you know places we go, places we stop at. If you can correctly identify one stop that we're going to make today on our field trip, you get a greenie. Otherwise, if we see you inside right now in Mojave and you play along, you're going to get a greenie. Okay, honey, let's go. Let's go, Punko.
Yeah, greenie. Bye.